If you knew nothing else other than that Judge Aileen Cannon was appointed by Donald Trump and appeared to be a total Trump toady, then you could have predicted literally everything that's transpired with the classified documents case, including this latest development, in which Cannon has dismissed the documents case against Donald Trump, citing Clarence Thomas's concurrence in Trump v. United States, where Thomas suggests that the special counsel thing, the ability of attorney generals and presidents to appoint special counsels for investigations, is actually unconstitutional. Now, this is insane, right? The special counsel has existed basically since the late 19th century, and the court has affirmed over decades that the attorney general has the power to appoint a special counsel. This is not particularly controversial, and although Congress can put limits on this, as it did in the 90s, I believe, or structure this, there's not really been any dispute that the special counsel is somehow an unconstitutional thing. But Clarence Thomas put it in the opinion, and big surprise, lo and behold, Aileen Cannon is like, oh, well, this is the excuse I need to dismiss the case. And she dismisses the case, calling the appointment of Jack Smith unconstitutional. There were so many liberal and centrist legal analysts on cable news shows either offering explanations for Aileen Cannon's behavior over the last year or so. Oh, she's overwhelmed, she's new to this, she doesn't have much experience. Or saying that, the underlying offense is so obviously criminal, like so obviously egregious, stealing away classified documents and refusing to give them back, that even with Cannon slow walking, something was going to happen. And people like me were like, no, she's obviously a Trump stooge, obviously like a corrupt judge, and is going to do everything she can to make sure this case doesn't come to trial. And that's what she did. She slow walked everything, accepted and spent time on insane motions from Trump, put barriers in front of barriers in front of the government's case. And when given the slightest opening to dismiss the case on constitutional grounds, she took it, which you totally could have assumed. In short, a Trump Supreme Court majority wrote an opinion essentially shielding Trump from legal accountability for his actions. And in that majority, explicitly, egregiously corrupt Supreme Court justices wrote another opinion, creating a legal opening for an apparently even more corrupt district court judge to dismiss a criminal charge against Trump. This, I do not normally, you people who follow me know this, I don't normally speak in hyperbolic terms, but I feel comfortable saying that Cannon's decision, the entire chain of events leading to it, is some of the most egregious judicial corruption ever witnessed in at least recent memory, and possibly like in the country's history. Just like genuine, unambiguous corruption on the basis of pure partisanship. It's disgusting. As for the hat, I got this from an Etsy person. I just saw it. I was like browsing, and I really liked it. Tasha Station. Some people, when I walk around wearing it, get it. Other people don't, but who cares? It's fun.